All right, what is better? I got these made from one sheet of 65-pound cardstock paper. So to make two sheets, I just colored them. I have each one of these are made from construction paper. So this is 4 sheets of construction paper, 4 sheets of construction paper. Then I have these ones. Pretty much everybody in their house should have a cereal box. This is made from a Shreddies box. So I'll stack them up so you can compare the thickness of all of them. So which works better? Leave a comment down below what you think will work best. So let's play Ddakji. All right. These don't work all that well. Construction paper. These do not work. All right, cereal box. This is made from the front and this is made from the back. This one I just folded inside out, and this one could have did the same thing and then colored each of them, but I thought, don't need to. It's an extra step. Ddakji! Yeah, that one bounced. That's how they're supposed to go. See that? Put this one down if you want. Cereal box works the best. Have fun, don't slap your friends. I made a video to show you how to make Ddakji tiles from a cereal box. To watch that video, click the top left card.